You must have heard and come across some people do the writing first thing in the morning. Some people do at some time in the morning itself, and some people do it late in the night. Yes, I'm talking about writing time and how crucial, how important role does it play in maintaining, in building the writing habit and take us in the writing journey. Hi, my name is Biswarupa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So to answer the question, why maintaining the writing time? Why we need to follow a writing time? I find no better answer than it is to make it as part of our daily routine. Just the way we brush our teeth, take bath, etc. as per the morning ritual. Similarly, if we maintain or if we follow a particular time to do the writing, that also becomes a part of our routine of our daily life in the long run. Yes, but to do that, to make it as a part of our daily routine or to do it without giving a second thought, we need to perform it for a longer period of time, just the way we have brushed our teeth or taken our bath, because we have been doing it since ages. So now it has become just without bringing it into our mind also, we are just doing it by the nature of our habit. So let's take a few examples. Stephen King, the famous author, he writes in the morning till the afternoon, and even on holidays he follows the same routine. Second, Ernst Hemingway, he writes by standing beside his desk. So and that too in the morning, in the early morning time. So that is the routine they maintain to make their writing happen. So pick your time, whichever you feels or whichever time that gives you the best. For me, if you ask, I do it starting from 9:30 to or 10 o'clock, and it goes till 12 o'clock. Yes, there are days of deviation, but do not do not think that it is time is not important, or you can do it at any point of time whenever you get the free time at any time of the day. No, it doesn't work that way. So our body starts behaving, reacting or responding in a typical way when we make or when we bring that habit into our daily lives by following a particular time. If I'm doing it at 10 o'clock in the morning, if I do it at 1 o'clock, I will not be feeling that very confident, or that flow will not be there. I feel very disturbed, that comes from within, but which is not the case when I do it the time that I am doing it regularly. Similarly, even you will also feel it in the same way when you will start following a timing for writing. So more than being disciplined, when while following a habit, you will feel at peace, be yourself, and also you will feel very patience within yourself while doing the writing. So bring that writing time into your daily life and see the difference. That was all for today's video. If you want anything that you want me to prepare or talk about on anything in building the writing habit, or anything you have got question in your mind, do shoot me or write me in the comment box, and I'll get back to it. Thank you and bye bye.